Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at a headset made by RideFlow. Now this is an ANC headphone. It's active noise canceling technology. Now a lot of people don't really understand that, and they think that all it is it's the muffs, if it's the big headphones, or these are going to have rubber pieces that are going to just block that sound out. But that's not necessarily true. When they say active, it is going to be using technology inside of the unit to actually pick up external sounds through the microphone. And when it does that, it will get rid of those sounds, or at least reduce those sounds, so that when you're listening to your music, you don't hear all that sounds on the outside. That's what canceling out active noises is all about. So what makes these so cool? Well, first of all, this one has 3 built-in microphones. So if I'm trying to talk to someone and I get a phone call coming in on my phone, I don't have to take these headphones off. I reach over, I push the center button on here, and it will actually allow me to take that call. And with the 3 microphones, which are AI technology driven, I'm going to have extremely crisp voice. Now, I also like the fact that if I'm working out in the construction world, which I do an awful lot, these are going to be sweat and dirt proof. I mean, they bend around, they move very easily. I don't have to worry about them breaking. There's no real seams anywhere. There's nowhere for water to get in. I mean, they're very well constructed. So if I'm in construction, it's great. If I am at the gym, it is great. If I'm at home working out somewhere, it is great. It's just nice. Or just wherever I happen to be. If I'm even at the beach, it's great because I don't have to worry about it getting all messed up. Now, these have 13 millimeter drivers in them. Now, 13 millimeter drivers are going to give you a really deep bass sound. It's going to give you a really nice mid, and it's going to give you really crisp highs. So I think that that is awesome. Mixed with the ANC technology, you're going to get some really great sound out of these headphones. Now, the other thing that I think is really awesome about these headphones is their run time. If I'm using the ANC technology, I'm going to get about 40 hours per full charge. But if I'm not using the ANC technology and I'm just letting it run normal, I'm going to get about 60 hours. That is a long time without having to charge it up. Now, how this actually works is they are magnetic. So you see they're together here. As long as they're together, it's off. So I don't have an on-off button here. All I do is separate them, and it will automatically go into pairing mode and start pairing with my phone, and I can start listening. Now, the really cool thing about that is pairing with this is super simple. You're just going to open up your Bluetooth, find the device, and hit pair, and you're done. When I get ready to quit listening, I pull them off, clip them together, and it's that quick. I am finished with that part of it. I can take and put it up or charge it, whatever I want to do. Now, what you're going to get, it's going to come in this box just like this, and you're going to get the charging cable, which is going to be a USB-A to a USB-C. You're going to get a little quick start guide, which even gives you the LED lights and lets you know what they mean. And for example, if it's all white light, that means that it is fully connected. If it's flashing between red and white, it's not connected to your phone yet or your smart device. They're also going to give you a little help card here that you can use to contact them if you have a problem. And they are going to give you little replacement ear tips that go on the very ends. And they're going to be in 4 sizes. You have extra small, small, medium, and large. So pretty much everyone would be able to use these without any problem. And one other thing that I meant to mention on the ANC, this will actually, it gets rid of sounds down to negative 32 decibels. That is quite a bit. You usually only see that with the over-the-ear muff type units. So that's really impressive. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to bring you in real quick. We're going to set this on the table, and I'm going to show you the controls because it's super simple. So let's do that. All right, so when you're looking at the unit, it's very simple. It's made just like this. This is what I was talking about, the magnets. And watch when you shut it off, they pull themselves together. If you look at this side over here, there's absolutely nothing on it, but everything bends easily. You don't have any place for water to go or get into anything. And you come onto this side, this is going to be your control side. If I open it up just like this, it is going to start flashing right now. Right now, I'm going to be going between red and white because I do not have my smartphone or smart device near it, so it can't connect. But when I do, it'll go all white right here. This is your ANC button where you can turn off the active noise canceling mode or turn it back on, either way, on or off. And if you look here, your volume is at the bottom. You got the plus, the negative, the center is where you're going to pick up calls. And if you look right here, you just simply move this up and you will plug in your charger just like that and plug it in. So that's it. It's very simple. There's not a whole lot to actually have to learn how to control. Hooking it up to Bluetooth is very quick. If I was going to rate this system on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think it is awesome. I think that it is, it's very heavy duty, should last a very long time. Overall, I just really love I love the magnets. I think that is the coolest thing. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next one.